Hello and welcome to another video from Jaffabyte. This time we're going to be looking at this step drill set. Sometimes these are called like cone drill bits, and this one is it's got 3 different pieces in it. It ranges from this largest one, which is 4mm to 32. The middle size is from 4 to 20, and the smallest one is from 4 to 12. Comes with a nice little case here. You can just put them in there like so. So keep them in there afterwards. And it's only going to be a short video, just going to put it in the drill to sort of see if it's any good. The reason why these are sort of useful is because the actual drill bits only come in certain sizes in any drill set. But this one, you've got loads of different sizes on here. So we're going to put it into practice and see how well it performs. Okay, so how to use it. It's literally sort of just undoing the drill there, putting it in like any other drill bit, just a bit looser there. When it's in, we'll tighten it up. Okay, there we go. So we've got the sizes there, so we know sort of like how deep to go with the hole. Just practice with this bit of cardboard first. Okay, yes, that works quite well. You can actually sort of feel it sort of stepping through size by size. And there you go, let's put a nice neat hole in that bit of cardboard there. Now, one of the issues I can sort of hear you thinking about this drill bit, and something I was thinking of myself, is how do you know where you need to go up to on the drill bit? Obviously, when it's spinning around like so, you can't read the numbers. So just a little tip, get some of this electrical tape. Put that around the size we want. I've actually got to drill a certain size hole, which is 28mm, inside this water butt I've bought. So what we'll do is just cover this piece of tape up to where it's got the 28 there. Okay, and when it spins, you'll be able to sort of see where that line is still. So we're going to give that a drill through that and see how it cuts. Okay, so that's the hole drilled, so the job's done that is needed to have done. They do feel sort of quite sharp here with regards to a review. You can sort of see the numbers nice and easily there. It says that they're titanium coated, which is obviously good. And it comes with this nice little pack as well, which isn't a nice little touch. So yeah, I mean, if you did want to buy that, then I've got a link to it in my description. Feel free to click on that and it'll take you straight through to the latest price. Hopefully if you found this helpful, this video, then give us a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe as well, that would be even better. And other than that, join me next time and I'll see you then.